Driver, ready. We're going racing. Down the tone.
10, 9,
Scotty,
8,
Scotty,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
LEMO, stop. Keep it no passing underneath the train. Sit there.
Sorry. Got revenge on me.
There.
Thanks, Arthur.
11.3.
First lap here.
12, 11.7, 12.2.
Tino, Rabu, Luke, Noah,
16.2.
Gonzalez, and Winston. It's really fast out there, you guys.
10.6.
Rabu's trying to make an inside pass on Tino there.
After 30 seconds, the top drivers are Tino in first place, followed by Review in second place, followed by Luke in third place. 11.3. 15.1. 12.2.
Body top.
Tino, we got a body tuck here.
10.8.
We've got that here. Rabu now in first place, followed by Tino,
10.7.
Noah,
10.7. 11.2.
John, and Winston.
10.0. 22.8. 3 minutes left. The top drivers are reviewing first place, followed by Noah Taimani in second place, followed by Luke in third place.
Last lap time right now. Rabu pulling a 9.
11.6. 9.8.
Noah pulling a 10 flat. Luke
10.
pulling a 9.8.
12.2.
Winston 10.7. John Gonzalez 12.2.
11.7.
Tino 11.6.
9.8. 10.4.
Been nice and consistent, you guys.
10.
Nice middle track.
10.6. 9.9. After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are reviewing first place, followed by Noah Taimani in second place, followed by Luke in third place.
Followed by Winston, John, and Tino.
11.5.
Looks like Rabu
11.4.
pulling some 9 second lap times here.
13.1. 11.2.
Oh, here, Marshall, right there. There you go. Thank you, Austin.
11.9. 10.9. 11.2 minutes after 2 minutes 1 second. The top drivers are reviewing first place, followed by Noah Taimani in second
Oh my
place,
God.
followed by Winston in third place. 10.7.
So your top 3 are Rabu, Noah, and Luke. On minute, Winston, John, and Tino.
11.4.
Fast lap times right now.
12,
Rabu
11.3.
9.6, Noah 9.7, Luke 9.8.
10.3.
Winston 10.6.
11.6. After 2 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are reviewing first place, followed by Noah Taimani in second place, followed by Luke in third place. 10.0. 11.8. 11.7. 12.2. 10.3. 11.4.
Rabu making the pass there with my
14.7.
sweeper there, going through there, hitting the back
11.0.
straightaway right now. I see this lap time here.
10.2. 1 minute after 3 minutes 1 second. The top drivers are reviewing first place, followed by Noah Taimani in second place, followed by Winston in third place. 11.5.
Winston's up there too in third place right now. Making his move.
45 seconds left.
John and Tino.
10.7. 15.1. 10.9.
Ow, that actually hurt.
13.4. 10.4.
Rabu and Noah going back and forth here.
30 seconds
Lap
left.
time.
22.9. After 3 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are reviewing first place, followed by Noah Taimani in second place, followed by Winston in third place.
20 seconds until your race is done.
11.7.
Still the same top
15
three,
seconds
Rabu,
left.
Noah, and Winston.
10.6. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3.
Oh my God.
2. 1. 10.6.
That's your race, racers. Go and keep driving
Nine
here
for
until I
done.
call your name. Keep going, keep
Winston
going.
done. Luke done. Noah Taimani done. Tino done.
That's your
John
race.
done. All
Top
drivers
3
are
right
finished.
now. Luke,
The race is completed.
Rabu pulling a 22 lapper at 403.
11.4.
Noah,
12.6.
very close racing there.
12.1.
Winston for third place. John Gonzalez fourth. Luke fifth, and Tino. Great racing, you guys.
Sorry.